PTG Precision Engineers have been going since 1979, producing precision components for nuclear, aerospace and energy industries and work holding. With a growing order book and lots of capacity needed, they've invested in a brand new SMEC machine from Dugard with bar-fed lathe. It's their first foray into automation, making parts just like this. So Jim, tell us a little about who you are and what do you do?
So I'm Jim Adkins, I'm the production manager at PTG and I've been here for 8 years now.
8 years, and PTG Precision Engineers, they've been going for a long time, right?
Yep, so PTG Precision Engineers have been operating for over 40 years now in various industries. The nuclear industry, oil and gas, the OEM special purpose machinery equipment, and we also operate in the aerospace industry, albeit not airborne parts, but jigs and fixtures.
And it really is precision engineering you're doing here. So the jigs and fixtures require it, but also I guess nuclear needs a precision part made as well.
Definitely, yeah. So some of the tolerances we work to here are 3 to 5 microns, and we do that on a daily basis.
Yeah, absolutely. And we're here to talk about a brand new investment. That was driven by, I guess, a need for capacity. What drives that need for capacity?
So over the past 12 months, the order book at PTG has just been going up, and we haven't been able to fulfill as many orders as we'd like each month. We have been looking to recruit new members of staff. We have struggled with getting skilled staff, so one of the ways we looked to get around that was to get a semi-automated machine, and that's where we called Paul in from Dugard to see what they had to offer.
So I've been working with PTG for quite a few years in different roles and stuff, so I've had a good relationship with them and watched them grow and just seeing the work that they do in terms of subcon and the work holding side of it as well, just go from strength to strength. And our meetings recently have all been about their order books, fantastic, and how can we help them as a company take that next step. Yeah, so we chose SMEC because obviously they're looking for quality. They're looking for quality and repeatability, especially when they're running automation. They need to know that the first part is the same as the 100th, 200th. The products they sell have to be the same every time. So the tolerance has to be right every single time. With SMEC, you get that. You don't get any movement within the parts.
You've got an array of stuff to show us on the table here. What is this a part of?
So this is part of our work holding product. We make these various expanded mandrills, all different sizes, ranging from 12mm up to 300, 400 millimeters in diameter. The stock stuff we actually keep in stock for certain customers will work perfectly with this machine. We're rattling through 150 off at a time now, whereas before we was putting through batches of 25 off.
Yeah, and I guess when you're mixing product work, which is what the machine's predominantly doing, and also some contract work, you have to always do machine setups, tool setups. They take a long time, reduce your overall machine productivity. Does it make sense to separate the two?
It sort of does, yeah. I mean, this machine here is generally used for the work holding product. I mean, the sleeves, it's all the same programs we're using for the machines, albeit just different sizes. So it sort of makes sense to keep them programs saved in the machine. But again, we can use it to make other various parts. We do work in the defence industry, and again, some of these parts are being run through on the Dugard machine. Yeah,
but building up stock using that bar feeder helps you to make sure that you've got the expanding mandrel products available for customers when they need them.
Yeah.
What else does it mean for the machine, the guys on the shop floor that are running other machines and then having to come and tend this machine?
So with this machine here, it just requires very little setup. So in the morning we may spend an hour just setting the bar feeder up, loading it up with bars, putting the programs through. Again, then the guys can go back and run the machines that they're running on a daily basis and just come back taking the parts at the part catcher every half an hour and just checking every 20 off parts.
And what's been the impact on productivity?
So we've noticed a massive impact on certainly reducing the lead times now. So we're able to get the parts through a lot quicker than what we were able to before.
And this machine has been supplied by Dugard. And what's been the relationship with Dugard like?
So I've known Paul from Dugard for a number of years. He does pop in on a regular basis. When we did mention to him about the bar-fed lathe, he did come up and put us a package together, and he'd done us a really good deal, actually. I think it was too good a deal not to go for.
This is very much an entry-level version of the machine, so it's very cost-effective, and it's already added a lot of value to PTG. So for myself personally, I can see that's only going to grow. SMEC, as we know, offer many machines, including Y-axis, sub-spindle machines. We can really give a machine tool that will be able to aid a single process part as well, so you wouldn't have to run multiple ops. So I think that'll be the natural progression for PTG to get parts that are coming off in one as opposed to multiple ops.
And this being a new piece of automation, it's never been seen before at PTG Precision Engineers. What was it like? I guess the guys needed to get trained on how to use a new piece of equipment in the LNS bar feeder.
Yeah, so the install went really well, and then obviously the communication with Dugard to set up a training, can't fault it. That went really well as well. And once the guys had the training, 2 days worth of training, and I mean the guys can operate it fully now, just full capacity.
And now, how long has it been on site, and what have you seen the impact for customers?
So it's been on site now for about 3 months, and then the impact to the customers is that it is literally rattling through the parts, and we are reducing our lead times now. Starting to notice that.
Thanks, Jim. So that's a brand new piece of equipment here at PTG Precision Engineers, bar-fed lathes, maximising productivity, reducing lead times, and more importantly, getting good parts out for customers.